Welcome to Monoprice. My name is Tyler, and today I will be showing you the latest version of our best-selling 3D printer, the Monoprice Select Mini Pro. From its previous model, there have been a number of changes, a number of improvements that have helped to assist you in your overall experience with this unit. One of which is a removable heat bed to help make replacing the build surface and removing your projects much easier. Other features would include a new heated bed which routes the ribbon cables from its own separate heating plate away from any of the moving parts, an LCD touchscreen to help eliminate the need for a control knob, an all-aluminum body making it ultra lightweight, easy to move, and better looking, as well as an inductive sensor to help with auto bed leveling. Furthermore, the printer is now featuring the ability to adjust the Z height on the fly. So, if you're in the middle of a print, you will be able to adjust the height of the nozzle if you feel that it is offset a bit too high or too low in the middle of the print. Out of the box, the unit is ready to print. You will just want to run the new auto leveling function first to do so. Plug in the unit and navigate to the Move menu where you will have all of the axis move functions. In the Z-axis menu, there is a center sub-menu to access the auto bed leveling settings. This will display the currently set Z-axis offset, which out of the box should not need to be modified. At the bottom of the menu will have a button to initiate auto bed leveling, and the unit will be checking all four corners using the inductive sensors to calculate the distance between the nozzle and the bed. It then stores the information in the bed memory. Congratulations! You're ready to print. We hope you enjoy the printer. I'm Tyler with Monoprice, and I thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out monoprice.com for more 3D printing products and support if you do need it.